Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change language to English in your Writesonic. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.writesonic.com. So once you do so, you will end up in the official website where you need to simply press on the sign in button and get signed in into your account. So once you're signed in into your account, all you need to do is simply press on the profile icon on the right hand side, and from there simply press on the preferences. So here, as the language is Spanish, you need to click on it, and from the drop down menu bar you can select English, with the help of which your language of Writesonic will be converted into English. So this is how you change language to English in your Writesonic app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.